Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about the IP address. For the network device, if they need to exchange data, they need to get an IP address, a unique IP address to identify the network device, right? IP address is a 4 bytes number separated by dot, 1 byte for each part, okay, like this. 192.168.1.1 /24. /24 is the mask. That means totally 32 bits of IP address. The first 24 bits are all ones in a binary format, right? You can see this is /24. 24 bits 1 and 8 bits of 0. Okay, and then if you convert to decimal, it's going to be 255 is 8 bits of 1. Okay, .255.255.0, right? That's why this IP address can be write like this format. Okay, IP address mask. IP address and mask are all, together to represent one single device or one single interface. Okay, that /24 can be /0 to /32, right? So because we have totally 32 bits, right? /0, /1, /2, /3, right? /32. Okay. If two host IP have the same subnet network address, they are in the same IP subnet. How to calculate the subnet network address? Like this way. This is the IP address. You can see in binary format, right? In decimal format, this is IP address 192.168.1.6/24. Okay, and this is a mask, right, in binary format and in decimal format. Okay, so the IP address times the mask, 1 bit by 1 bit time like this way. 1 times 1 equal 1. 1 times 1 equal 1. 0 times 1 equal 0. All the way to the bit 0, right? You got this subnet network address. What it is 192.168.1.0 /24. This is the first IP in that subnet. Okay, the last IP is .1.255/24, right? The first IP is the subnet network IP. Okay, the last IP is the broadcast IP in that subnet. Okay, how to convert binary to decimal? Okay, that's the way how to convert the binary to decimal. Okay, for example, you have 8 bits of this 10111101, right? You calculate it in a decimal number like this way. The 7th bit, 1 times 2 power of 7, right? 7th bit, 2 power of 7 plus 0 times 2 power of 6, okay, plus 1 times 2 power of 5, all the way to the bit 0. This is the 0 bit, right? 0 bit is 1 times 2 power of 0. Okay, you get the decimal number is 189, right? If this 8 bits or 1, you convert to decimal, it's going to be 255, right? Obviously 8 bits, the maximum number is 255, right, in decimal. Okay, so these 3 IPs are in the same subnet because they all have the same subnet network IP, right? If you calculate these three IPs, subnetwork IP, and you got this 192.168.1.0/24. They all have the same subnet network IP. Okay, and then the next page, we are talking about the IPv4 address. We have private IPv4 address and public IPv4 address. Okay, these three range, right, are the private IPv4 address. What means private? Private means you cannot announce those IPs, these three big range, on the internet, right? That means you can use those IPs internally in your network, like enterprise network, as long as you are not announcing those IP to the internet is good, right? So this IP can be reused for different enterprise, right? And then public IP address is those address, the whole range is 255.255.255.255, right? That's the IP range. The whole range is like this way, right? Except those private IP address, the rest are the public IP address. Public IP address normally will be announced to the internet, like 8.8.8.8 is Google, right? If you can reach to this IP, then you can browse google.com, right? And then this is yahoo.com. All those internet service like servers, like they have to be assigned a public IP so that all the users can reach to them, right? Okay, I think that's for today, IPv4. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you very much.